If you want to find the Chrome download folder on your iPhone, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now if you download a file from Google Chrome, for an example I will download this file, and as you can see as I downloaded the file, the option to save has appeared at the bottom of the screen. Now if I tap on save, it will ask you where you want to save your file. By default it is on files, but you can save the downloaded file in your Google Drive. For an example, let's select the Files app. Now if I tap on Save, as you can see, the file has been saved in our Files app. Now to find the download folder in your Files app, then just go to your home screen and open the Files app. Now, if you're anywhere in your Files app, just tap on Browse, and after you enter in the Browse section, under Location, just tap on My iPhone. And over here, you will find the folder for your Google Chrome. Now if you open this folder, you will find all the files which you have saved from Google Chrome. And this is how you can find the Google Chrome download folder on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.